One of the inhibitors of the in-app reporting is you're just pulling from one application usually. So in the CRM, if your CRM is built for sales, you're just pulling those sales numbers. So you can look at your sales figures and see, oh, we've had this long for closing, we have this many deals that have converted into closed won, we have this many closed losses. But what does that mean to the bottom line?
So when you integrate Zoho Analytics with any Zoho app, the homework is done for you. The data model, pre-built reports that we've built based on customer feedback, and pre-built dashboards.
One of the big strengths of analytics is the ability that anything that you build, you can embed back into the product itself. You could have the CRM be pulling in desk and campaigns and books information, or each tool will just have its dashboard, which is going to enliven, let's say, the data that you're pulling from that specific tool.
So it's not taking any type of crazy customization, possibly writing APIs, pulling that data in. It's allowing the user to take CRM, to take desk, to take marketing automation, and seamlessly integrate across their entire Zoho ecosystem.
We already have all the tables joined, we already have the data blended, you don't have to go through and do any of that work yourself.
In other BI platforms, you have to create the data model, make all of your joins, and then you can start creating reports and dashboards.
You can still do that in analytics. So if you have that skill set and that's how you prefer to build reports, analytics allows you to do that. Zoho Analytics also allows somebody who doesn't have the SQL skills to quickly connect to these third-party tools that your organization is already using and start creating reports quickly.
Creating a unified business process that gives you valuable data on a daily basis is something that your basic CRM reports are not going to be able to provide to you.
Not only do I already have reports for the CRM built in analytics, I've already been joined to the desk table, for example, and then if I want to include both of those metrics within one chart or a report or a pivot or anything like that, it's already done for me.
Zia is going to provide prescriptive analytics. That means without you having to look at the dashboard or the report, you know the conclusions that you are likely to draw, and from there you can start planning the next steps.
Integration and pulling from different data sources is going to give you the tools that you need to actually make a decision and find out where some of the hurdles are so you can refine it and then grow from there and keep refining, growing, all through analytics.